Good afternoon. Thank you for attending today's session. So my name is Charlotte Bovingdon and I'm the Recruitment and Advocacy Support Officer for the Promotion of Careers team at Educators Wales. Today we're going to find out a bit about Educators Wales and the service that we offer. So hopefully you can all see my screen. So today we're going to cover who Educators Wales are, how we came to be, the three main services that we offer, the benefits of utilising the Educators Wales website, what our advocacy and support service offers, and an interactive session with Q&A at the end. So, who are we? Educators Wales is a service funded by the Welsh Government and developed by the Education Workforce Council to promote careers in the education profession in Wales. Educators Wales has been developed in collaboration with educators for educators. We spoke to educators, training providers, and employers in Wales about what was needed to promote careers in the education sector. In response, we've developed Educators Wales, which is a new brand, website, recruitment and advocacy and support service to increase the training and progression opportunities for people working in the education sector in Wales. The Educators Wales website will be the initial help desk and shop window for the sector's workforce. We have three main services, the first being a careers portal, and this is where people can find information on careers in education, including the qualifications and skills they need for specific roles. Within the careers portal, they can also read case studies and watch videos from people currently working in education and to find out more about what it's like to work in certain roles and why others choose a career in education. Secondly, we have a training portal, and this is where providers can advertise their training opportunities for free and where people can search for qualifications to enter the profession. For those currently working in education, the training portal will allow them to search for professional learning opportunities. And finally, we have a Wales-wide jobs portal, and this is where employers can advertise their vacancies free of charge and people can search for employment. Youth work organisations that are looking to advertise volunteer opportunities can do so free of charge on our website. What are the benefits of utilising Educators Wales website? Educators can utilise our website by creating an educator account to look for training and employment opportunities and to enhance their progress and their careers. Employers are able to advertise job opportunities or volunteering opportunities free of charge on our jobs portal. Course providers are able to advertise any of their professional learning opportunities and qualifications relating to the education sector free of charge on our website. The training portal links directly to providers' own websites, which means increased traffic to their own sites and a wider reach and presence to those looking for training opportunities. Local authorities can also advertise any career opportunities they offer, and they can post on behalf of organisations free of charge on our jobs portal. We've created talent pools, which allow employers to be proactive in their recruitment. This works by allowing educators to join a talent pool based on areas of expertise, location, or both. By joining talent pools, educators are visible to employers who are looking to fill specific roles in specific locations. The function also works for employers. Employers can create talent pools for specific roles in specific locations. Any educators who have joined the same talent pool will be visible to employers. As an employer, you're able to view the CV and covering letter of the educator, and if it's suitable for your role, you can contact the educator directly to provide further information on the roles available within your organisation and the next steps. You can also discuss the next steps of the recruitment process also. So, what is Educators Wales advocacy and support service about? The Educators Wales team provides free support, advice and guidance for people considering a career in education or currently working within the sector. The team works directly with schools, colleges, universities, work-based learning providers and youth work organisations to deliver bespoke events to increase the number of people training and remaining in the education sector within Wales. The Educators Wales team will be attending many upcoming events and workshops over the coming year. Organisations across Wales can utilise Educators Wales to promote their events or workshops on the website and through social media and also within our newsletter. Educators Wales staff will be delivering a range of workshops from CV writing, application support, interview tips and much more. We can tailor bespoke workshops and professional learning to suit your organisational needs, and we will also be available to deliver workshops to provide advice and guidance on careers within the youth work sector. We will also be running bespoke recruitment activities across the youth sector in Wales and to promote organisations across our social media channels. If you're currently in education and are thinking about your next move or how you can further develop your current skill set, the Educators Wales team is on hand to offer advice and support to help you find your next role or professional learning opportunity and to help you become the best educator that you can be. The team at Educators Wales are also available to provide demonstrations to assist anyone who wants to create an account, including current educators, training providers and employers. We also offer demonstrations just to show you around the website so you have a bit more, you're a bit more familiar with it. Now we're going to do an interactive session with Q&A. Educators Wales works alongside the Education Workforce Council to run the Education Recruitment Forum. The forum consists of representatives from across the education sector in Wales. During the last meeting, representatives from the youth work sector discussed current issues being faced by the youth work sector in Wales. We would like to gain further insight into the recruitment challenges within the youth work sector in order to ensure we are focusing our efforts to support the sector within recruitment. With this in mind, I'd like to use the remaining time to allow you to share your experience of recruitment and where you feel Educators Wales can support you. So I have the following questions for you to consider, and if you have any responses, please put these in the chat and we'll be able to get these answered for you. So firstly, what does the youth work sector need in terms of promoting opportunities? What are the issues around recruitment and retention in your organisation? Are you receiving sufficient applications of a high quality? If not, what can we do to support you to increase the number of high quality applications you receive? Do you work directly with training providers to find suitable candidates for your roles within your organisation? And finally, where are you facing challenges? Is this around recruitment of target audiences such as Welsh speakers, Black and minority ethnics, individuals? If you could just give me some insight and we can try and work with you to support you with this. If you just want to put any of your questions in the chat and I can try and answer some of them for you if you have any. If not, please feel free to contact us directly. Our website is educators.wales and you can contact us directly from the website, or you can get in touch with us across any of our social media channels as well if you need to. I'm happy to stay and take any questions if you have any now. If you want to get in contact with us at all as well to have a demonstration, we're running them throughout the year so we can fit in around you to have some demonstrations. We are also aiming to get out and do not just virtual events but in-person events that organise. If you'd like us to attend or work with you, then please get in touch and let us know and we'll be happy to do so.